Hi, my name is Sir Waish. Recently I have completed a certification course on deepfakes as there has been an increase in use of deepfake in various fields. Most notable use of deepfake is in making of various cringe videos on social media sites. So today I would like to show you how these types of videos are made. So let's start. To run this project I am using Google Colab to support the heavy processing power required in this project. Firstly, we need to import the project repository from GitHub, so here is the code to do that. Once the import is complete, you can see that the files of the project are now imported in our Colab runtime. Now to actually run this project we need to run this demo.ipynb file. This file contains all the necessary code to run this project. As this file uses various libraries and custom build modules to run this project, I have already copied required code to run this project properly. As this project requires a lot of in-depth knowledge in various fields like deep learning, GAN, machine learning, etc., it would be a very long takes to go through each line of this code. So in short, for now just understand that the model is trained using datasets that are heavily compressed, so that the processing time is very less. Once the model is trained, it goes through various stages of AI-based tester, for testing that whether the generated video is deepfake or not. If the AI is unable to detect the deepfake video, that means the model is working properly. Now let's run this demo. It may take some time to execute completely. Once the code is executed, we can see that there are many image and video options to choose from. If we select an image and a video, then the selected image will be converted to the deepfake video of the original video. Additionally, we can also import our own images and video to generate deepfakes. I will just import one of my high image for this, and then select a available video template. Now let's generate. It may take some time, so we'll have to wait till then. Now we can see that the deepfake video with my face is generated. This video is not the most accurate or the best looking deepfake video, but still it might work as cringe content, as it obviously looks fake, but if the content in the video is funny, it have a high chance to go viral on social media platforms. Deepfake is becoming more and more popular every day, because as a user it is easy to use a deepfake application with proper user interface. But on technical side it is becoming more and more complex as new things are added every day to make it as realistic as possible. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with others.